Boys Fishing Crew. You're watching Boys Fishing Crew. You're watching Boys Fishing Crew. You're watching Boys Fishing Crew. You are watching Boys Fishing Crew. You're watching Boys Fishing Crew. Boom, man. What's up, guys? Richard here, Boys Fishing Crew. Lawrence right there. You know what it is. We are back at it again, boy. Yes. So right now we have one person missing. Chris Sherman is at work. You know, it's Friday. Jared's over there at Harbor Island. We're gonna meet him at Harbor Island. I believe Nini's with them, with him, and Molly's gonna meet us over there too. So yeah, only one person's missing, and yeah, we haven't done any video in a little bit because the weather's been crazy. As you know, if you live in San Diego, we had that 2 days full of crazy wind. So you know, it's really hard to cast or fish when it's windy. Pretty much gonna be just right there near you. So yeah, we're gonna be on the way right now, and we'll show you Harbor Island once we get there. We're gonna go get something real quick, and then we'll get there and show you some stuff, and wish us luck. Hopefully we catch some fish on this Friday morning. So
it's good weather.
Good weather, guys, here in San Diego. Look at this, sun's out, not a lot of clouds in the sky. So we're gonna be out here fishing. You know the deal. Oh snap, Boys Fishing Crew, all day, every day. Adios.
Happy, don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
What's up, guys? Richie here, Boys Fishing Crew. Right now we made it here at Harbor Island. I got Nini right there in the back, Jared's right there, Lawrence is by his car. So yeah, I don't know if Molly's gonna show up. I think she's on the way here. So today we're gonna do a little challenge, but not like a crazy challenge like how people would do it. So you know, Boys Fishing Crew, we've been using a lot of baitcaster. A couple of the crews are baitcaster master, you know what I'm saying? But me, I'm gonna use, shout out to Richard. I think we had this challenge way back. I'm gonna use this Daiwa regular fishing reel, and there Lawrence is gonna use a Abu Garcia with casking baitcaster White Max. Jared's gonna use, what are you gonna use, Jay?
My Daiwa.
He's gonna use his Daiwa baitcaster, Daiwa rod, Daiwa baitcaster. He's gonna use that. So we're gonna try and see what we do. We'll see what we snag up in here at Harbor Island. So we'll see you guys. Wish me luck. I wish everybody luck. I wish her luck too. Later on, she's gonna fish and get some of that big fish. So, all right, guys. Yep. Adios.
Oh no! Oh snap, baby! Look at that! Spinning reel, baby. Richie's using spinning reel today. So let's see what he got. 10-pound line. It's Maggie, baby.
Do the Maggie dance, baby. Woo!
There you go.
All right, guys. Mac here at Harbor Island. The spinning reel. I'll snap all day, baby. Woo! All right, here Lauren's first one, guys. Look at this. What it is? What is it? I think it's a hat, or maybe it's a shoe. Is it a hat? Shoes. Where'd it go? Is it a baby? Is it a Lawrence special? Woo! Decent size. I see it. Lining up right there. Can you see it, guys? Boom. Pull it up. Full taco.
Yeah, all day, every day, baby.
All day, every day. BFC. Boom. Good job.
Adios.
Hey, what's up, guys? Richie here, Boys Fishing Crew. Quick little update. I caught a Mac with the regular reel. Lawrence caught Spotty. JR is not on the board yet. Zip zip. And someone made it here. Molly made it right here. Oh snap! Look at that hat. Bo show. Look at that. All right, so she's fishing with a bait caster with a DMK reel and a black. Is that a Black Max? It's a Black Max finesse, man. This is 6'6". She's gonna feel every single bite in that. So I already explained to her the little thing that was going on. I'm doing a regular conventional reel, and all three of them are gonna do bait casting. Molly, I mean, she's still new to this bait casting thing, so she's gonna learn and try to snag that big fish. You never know, she might get the halibut today here at Harper Island for Friday, hopefully.
Hopefully.
You're right. So, all right, guys. Wish us luck. Adios. Oh snap! Boom. Molly here got some second fish. Woo! Where is it? Get a Molly, that finesse fishing rod. It's stuck in a. Ah! She got a rock. What happened?
What are you, baby? Show me yourself.
It's the halibut. It's the Hallie. Come on, Hallie.
Oh no, my bait.
It's the halibut.
Hallie, baby.
Do the Hallie dance. There you go.
Hey, what's up, guys? Richie here, Boys Fishing Crew. Little quick update. You know, we didn't do too bad here. I mean, I caught one fish. Lawrence caught one, I believe three fish. Jared caught two. Molly, she just got here. We didn't get on video, but we got the picture. She got one. Silent killer, you know, she didn't let us know that she had one. By the time that we looked, it was already swinging on her fishing pole and the line and stuff like that. So
She was like, I got one.
So we're gonna move down to Shelter Island, but first, you know, we're gonna get something to eat because it's hot and you boys hungry. Your boys fishing crews are hungry. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna munch on, and I'll show you guys what we're gonna eat. You know, we always do them food times, baby. And we're gonna hop on to Shelter Island, and hopefully we get something over there. So, all right, guys, peace. Oh snap! Hey, what's up, guys? Richie here, Boys Fishing Crew. So we made it here at Los Primos at Liberty Station. So you know what time it is. Boys got hungry. What time is it, guys? Food time. So we doing food times right now. So we got a bunch of burritos. We're finna eat this and fish at Shelter Island. So all right, guys, peace. All right, guys, Richie here, Boys Fishing Crew. Made it at Shelter Island. As soon as we throw some line, Lauren's here. Got a fish with an introduction. Let's see if what he got here. Right now it's low tide. As you can see, the water is more down. You can almost see the sand. But he got a little halibut. A baby one. Not a halibut, I'm just playing. It's a baby bass. So we're gonna see him do a half a tackle dance. Half a tackle. Yeah. So everybody's already on their knees right there, laid out. Jared Molly's on that side. We went here at Shelter Island. I mean, we always fish here. I mean, you see on our videos that we always fish in this area. Jared, not too long ago, he caught an 18-inch bass. I'm gonna link it, the picture, so y'all can see how big that fish is. 18-inch bass. The biggest one I've caught is 16, so he upped me by 2. So we'll see what we're gonna get. I mean, it's a good sign. Lawrence already got one on his first cast. And see, like I said, I'm gonna use my spinning reel. Everybody else is bait casting. Using a bait gulp by Berkeley minnow 3-inch So that's what we're gonna use right now. I mean, we're gonna throw a lot of stuff in the water and see what bites. So, all right, guys, wish us luck. Adios. All right, Lawrence got his third fish. Didn't get the one on the camera, but right now it's a lot of grass. Taking a little break, but Lawrence here. He's at it. See what he got. It's probably like a 12 or bigger or smaller. What else? Where is it? Is that a baby? Maybe it's a baby? Boom, right there, guys. Oh, all right, it's a decent size. Ooh, a good 10, a good 10. Full taco. Oh, snap. Took his bait, too. Hey, what's up, guys? Richie here, Boys Fishing Crew. Currently, right now, we went back to Harbor Island. A little quick update. We were at Shelter Island with Molly. Molly left. She had to do some stuff. So we went back to Harbor Island because Shelter... I mean, Lawrence did good over there. I didn't get nothing. I think, JR, did you get one?
Nope.
Nope. He went nugging over there.
Got the ship.
he got the boat. And then yeah, so we went back to Harbor because of Shelter. It was a lot of grass, so we're catching on grass all day long over there. Only Lawrence was doing good, so we went back here at Harbor Island. If you can tell, it's getting high tide right now, so the water is more nicer, but I mean the wind is picked up than earlier, so we're gonna try here and see what we get here, guys. So all right, thank you. Adios. Snap. Someone got one here. First one at Harbor Island. Win 0 on Shelter, snag 1 at Harbor. Where is it? Is it a half a taco? Or is it a full taco? It's a full taco. Woo! Nice size. Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, yeah. Full taco dance. Dang, a 12-inch right there. Good job. Mr. 18 right here. Mr. 18. Dang. All right, guys. Adios. Shoo.
She got one. With this conventional taco. There you go. Is it quick? Is it quick?
Big worm. Easy on hook. Tickle. Whoa, look at this guy right here. This guy right here. What is it? What could it be? Half a taco. Dang, he's catching all the 10. You know, he's catching all the dime fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dang. Yeah, I told you there's something there. Dang, what is that? It's probably like 11, huh?
Yeah.
11. All right, good job. Yo.
Oh, she got one again. Look at that view. Downtown San Diego. What you got? What you got? On the worm.
Another hot ball. It's full taco.
Full taco.
Full taco.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, on the worm.
They quick?
Quick. Oh snap, Jerry here on his last catch. Where is it, guys? Can you guess what it is? Ooh, it's right there. Yeah, boy, half a taco. Oh snap. All right, he's gonna release this boy right here. Well, he's been catching them right here in the low all day. Oh, well, since we got here. Boom.
Catch you later.
Yep. Oh, snap. Hey, what's up, guys? Richie here, Boys Fishing Crew. JR over there. Nene right there. Lauren's in the car. Let me spin you around right there. So the day is done. It's now over. Let me recall all the stuff that we did. As you know, we did a little thing where I was the only one using the conventional spinning reel, and everybody else is using baitcaster. I didn't do too bad. Caught about 3 fish. Lawrence did really get a Shelter Island. We hopped on 2 places. Meaning we went to Harbor and then Shelter, then Harbor, back to Harbor. JR over here was catching all the little ones right next to the rock.
What the heat?
So, oh guys, we want to thank everybody for liking and subscribing, because we got a good thank you from YouTube. You know, YouTube. So we want to thank you guys. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't hit that bell button.
Ding dong.
Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. And like it, share it, tell your friends, tell your cousin, tell your uncles, your aunties, your great grandmother, whoever wants to watch YouTube. Tell them watch Boys Fishing Crew. Till next time, guys, we out. Adios. Everybody. Close it out, Nick. Close it out.
Oh.
Yeah, tap it.
Happy. Don't worry, be happy.